Bthah ya barok ki kali Kamai ha kajalla banbu ya vehicle location tracking device ne Vltd khnang banwan ra ka Jingshngaiñ bat ka Jingkhmi panya ya ka let kawan Usanji Goyal Commissioner but Secretary Gatnat Transport ulapente pawat la kaladan ka Jing artin ha ka basdang hapading kinang panya taxi Bynta ta ki babun kilas dang ban smothu ikur komtrikam ka bakong sanhi ka deina ka Bynta ka Jingshngaiñ jang Nongshong kali bat kinong nya ro kunju Ulaban rapro bawat la ka di kasian jam kalong ka bathamai Henry Bynta ka tanat kampat la bante perking halor ka ni ka Bynta Henry kadang aila di kitrai kali ban perkhat halor ka ni
See, punitive actions would be in terms of the permits, in terms of the renewals and all those things, but we don't intend to take it as of now. As I mentioned that this is a new thing and it has been introduced not very long time back. We will still would like our commercial vehicle operators, the taxi operators and all to come forward and support the government. This is basically an initiative keeping in mind the safety of the public who are traveling, and it is going to be a very goodwill kind of thing for the passengers. I am sure that if the passengers get to know that these vehicles which they are flying is having those safety devices and all, they will prefer those vehicles than those which they don't have. That is one part. And of course, if the implementation is not as up to the desired level, we will take the enforcement measures also. See, these are Vltds, which is basically been introduced after the Honorable Supreme Court ruling. It has some initial inertia, I agree to that, but I think we will be in a position to convince these commercial operators to take upon it and get it done. It's a mandatory thing to be done. We have given enough time so that people understand. There are a lot of apprehensions in the mind of public, especially these commercial taxi operators. We have held a series of meetings with them, and they have understood that what is the reason and purpose of setting up these devices. We have plenty, I think if I remember correctly, maybe around 9 to 10 vendors which we have empaneled. Their rates have been made public, so there is no there is no one person from where they can install. They have the choice, and these vendors have been paneled, keeping in mind their compatibility with the guidelines which have been given. And in the days to come, we will try to enforce it more effectively.
So